Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So you're watching a video on YouTube and you've scrolled down to see the comments and you see the following message from YouTube. Restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. This message implies that you have restricted mode on. To turn it off, what you'll need to do is make sure you're scrolled up to the very top of the web page and sign into your Google account. Once you've done that, click on your Google account or YouTube channel profile picture. Once you've done that, look for where it says restricted mode on and click on it. So YouTube says restricted mode helps hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this browser. Activate restricted mode. You can see it's currently toggled on. Restricted mode lock prevents others from changing the restricted mode settings on this browser. So to toggle it off, all you need to do is simply click on the toggle, and now restricted mode is deactivated. YouTube will immediately refresh the page and start the video from beginning. If I scroll down now to see the comments, you can now see them all. Now that concludes the video. However, if you are unable to deactivate restricted mode, this means that there's a bigger issue at hand. So I'm just going to click on my other tab here just to explain it in more detail. So this is a Google support forum for troubleshooting tips. I'll put this link in the video description below so that you can look at it in your own time. So underneath troubleshooting problems with turning off restricted mode, such as the toggle being grayed out and therefore restricted mode remains, what you can do is check your settings on the YouTube content restriction page. So there's a hyperlink text here. I'm just going to click on it and it'll open up a new tab. Here you'll be able to see YouTube content restriction settings. Check if YouTube content restrictions are turned on. Restrictions on your organization network. So this can be a network such as your Wi-Fi network that you're connected to. Restrictions on YouTube content set up by the administrator on your network. You can see there's two here. DNS restrictions are off. There's an X symbol here, which also means off. And HTTP header restrictions are off. Now, if you see one or both of these restrictions are on, this will explain the reason you cannot toggle off restricted mode to deactivate it. This is a network issue on your end where the administrator might have enabled this restriction at the network level. So if you want to resolve this, you'll need to contact your network administrator. Okay, with those troubleshooting tips out of the way, that pretty much concludes this video on how to turn off and on restricted mode on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you